In this video, we're going to make some alert. So some basic SwiftUI functionality that you may use if you want to make your app like more user-friendly, because the alert essentially is kind of a user interface. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So right now, let's just where's my mouse again? Okay, app, great, and there will be a mini project alert. Let me add a mini project, mini SwiftUI project, UI project. Okay, alert. Okay, so it's can be separated. All that we don't need, just a noun. And next, to learn app. Yeah, I'm going to make a folder for mini project. Okay, just click create. Good. So right now you got a bunch of default generated code. In order for you guys to see it like really clearly and quickly, I'm going just to delete everything here. Okay, and I'm going to just add one button. So really simple, right? This button will trigger alerts. Okay, click and you can trigger. Really simple. And in order for this to actually trigger some sort of a code, you're going to we have to make a state variable. Let me use a state variable because we want to actually record the state of alert. So var is showing alert. Okay, so it's false. I'm going to copy it here, and instead of just using the button here, I'm going to say if you click this button, I'm going to change the is showing to true, and then you can get the alert. Okay, dot alert, and then missing argument, right? You can specific argument, say trigger alert. Okay, it's just triggered, and we're going to say is presented. Of course, it will be binding of a boolean is showing alert, and then you can get more options. Okay, you can say another button. Yeah, right now I believe you can already run this. Okay, so let's build this. Yes, successful. Oh, we can already run this. Let's just run this. Okay, I want you to do like a step-by-step demonstration. So where's my phone? Pro. Yeah, why is run Pro not Pro Max? Because I already got the Pro Max working. So let's just close this. Pro Max. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Let's run this. Just look at here. It's successfully built. Good. Okay, still installing. Oh my gosh, my computer must be really slow. Okay, you should have a button here. So click and you can trigger it. Will give you an alert. Okay, we got this trigger alert. Click and alert, right? And then it will like automatically give you OK, and you click it. It will add